When connected to the LG ThinQ app, your device has all the functionality of the remote control, allowing you to, for example, select the operation mode, choose your preferred temperature, and adjust your fan speeds. The unique benefit of pairing your appliance with the LG ThinQ app lies within the Schedule feature. The Schedule feature enables you to set on and off times for different days of the week. On the first page of the Schedule section, there is a basic timer function allowing you to set an on and off time for the appliance, which applies the last mode and settings you currently had selected. This feature is for single use. If you want to set up a recurring schedule, you want to first select to add a schedule. First, let's set a start time. Next, choose the dates you want to have the schedule applied to. For this example, I'm setting up a Monday through Friday schedule for my AC to turn off at 8:30 a.m. while I'm away. Now I want to add a schedule to have my air conditioner turn on at 4:30 on Monday through Friday. I want to set my mode to cool and my temperature to a comfortable 70 degrees. And change my fan speed to high. You can set as many schedules as you'd like and toggle them on or off based on your preferences.